How to make Google Docs read to you. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make Google Docs read to you. First, go to the Google Docs app on your phone. Now select any document to open. You will see its read-only document, and there is no option to make it readable. To make it read for you, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and reach the Accessibility option. Next, tap VoiceOver in the menu list. After that, toggle on the given button to turn it on. Now, go back to Google Docs. You need to simply select the lines and it will read for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.